AI is taking over everything. People are making crazy money using artificial intelligence, writing books, creating businesses, even making passive income while they sleep. But let me guess, you feel like you're missing out, right? Maybe you think it's too complicated, or that you need to be some tech genius to cash in. What if I told you, you don't need coding skills, you don't need a huge budget, and you don't need years of experience? Today, I'm breaking down 5 simple ways you can start making money with AI. Even if you're a complete beginner, stick around because the last one is insanely profitable, and almost no one is talking about it. Let's start with something easy, AI-generated content. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy AI can help you write blogs, social media posts, and even full books in minutes. People are selling AI-written ebooks on Amazon Kindle and making passive income every month. You can also offer blog writing services on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Businesses need content constantly, and they don't care if you wrote it yourself, as long as it's high quality. Drop a comment if you want me to make a full guide on selling AI-generated content. Did you know AI can help you start a side hustle instantly? You can use Canva's AI logo maker to sell custom logos, or use HeyGen or 11 Labs to create AI-generated voiceovers and sell them on platforms like Fiverr. People are making $50 to $200 per project, and the AI does most of the work. This is free money if you know where to look. This one's crazy. AI can create professional level artwork in seconds. You can use tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to generate unique designs and sell them as print-on-demand merch on Redbubble, Etsy, or Teespring. Imagine making money while you sleep. AI creates the designs, and these platforms print and ship everything for you. You just collect the profits. You know how short-form content is blowing up? AI can now edit videos for you. Tools like Opus Clip and Descript automatically cut and repurpose long videos into viral clips, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Brands and influencers will pay you to edit and automate their social media content, and since AI does most of the work, you can scale fast. Alright, I saved the best for last: AI automation and chatbots. Businesses are desperate for ways to handle customer service, and you can sell AI-powered chatbots that do it for them. You don't need to code, just use tools like ManyChat, Chatbase, or BotPress, set them up, and charge businesses a monthly fee for maintenance. This is one of the easiest ways to build passive income with AI. So, there you have it, 5 easy ways to start making money with AI, even if you're a total beginner. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. AI is changing the game. Don't get left behind.